Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize setup Cognito with Amplify UI in no-code step-by-step clearly. To get started with setting up Amazon Cognito using Amplify UI in a no-code environment, first, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Cognito service from the list of services. Select the option to create a new user pool. Give your user pool a unique name that reflects its purpose. Proceed by choosing the default settings for the user pool configuration. In the Attributes section, decide which user attributes you want to include. Ensure to select email as the sign-in option to simplify the login process. Once you've configured the attributes, proceed to the Policies section and set your password policy preferences. Next, configure the verification settings for email. Ensure that users will receive a confirmation email upon registration. After confirming your settings, click on the Create Pool button to establish your user pool. Now, navigate to the App Clients section in your newly created user pool. Click on Add an App Client to register your app. Give your app client a name and keep the default settings. Make sure to disable the option for generating a client secret. Save the app client configuration. Next, head to the Domain Name section to set up a domain for your user pool. You can choose to use the AWS provided domain or set up a custom one. Once you've configured the domain, save your changes. Now, open your code editor and create a new project using Amplify. In your project directory, initialize Amplify by running the command amplify in it. Follow the prompts to set up your project. After initialization, add authentication to your project by running amplify add auth. Choose the default configuration, which will use the user pool you just created. Next, push your changes to the cloud by running amplify push. Once the push is successful, install the Amplify UI library by running npm install at AWS Amplify/UI React. In your main application file, import the necessary components from Amplify UI. Then, configure Amplify to use your authentication details using the Amplify configuration. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.